Well, let's see. I noticed I had a giant dent in my car. I didn't realize it, but I was getting something off the shelf up there, and I fell backwards and hit my bottom right here when I was falling backwards, and it made this big old dent in my car, which isn't very cool. So I was gonna try to maybe punch it out a little bit, maybe make it look a little better. So you can access it kind of from the inside of the trunk here. You can see that's a pretty big dent there. So it's basically there it is. You can see the dent. So I wonder if I can just kind of hit that with my palm and punch it out a little bit. Hopefully make it look a little better. So let's get this on the stand here. All right, let's see what we can do. Well, just gonna kind of tap it with my palm, I guess. Okay. Looking a little better, I guess. It's kind of hard on the hand though. Figured I'd land it on my tailbone, and it pretty much broke my fall, I guess, so that was good. But okay, that's hard on the palm. Let's get something that's gonna make it a little softer on me. Alright, so I got a mallet and a kind of a t-shirt. I'm gonna put the t-shirt against there, kind of tap it out a little bit. We'll see how that works, you know. Just hold the t-shirt in there. Tap that out there. Okay, that's looking better already. Okay, let's see here. Just try not to smash my fingers. Alright, so this is kind of a tough angle up there to get. I wonder if I even need the t-shirt. I wonder if I can just tap it with the mallet here. It's not very thick metal, that's for sure. Okay, well, that looks 75% better. That was quite a dent there, actually. So let's use the t-shirt method again, I guess. Just kind of hoping it's gonna spread out the impact a little bit. So we have like mainly dent right here. Let's see here. I'm just kind of winging this. I've never done this before, so this is just a completely amateur video here. Obviously. All right. Okay, I just need to kind of access that little bump right there. And this one's a pretty good size one. I wonder if I can hit that one from here. still. Let's see if I can't hit that a little bit. If I use a hammer, I can get that spot a little bit better. Let's see. Okay, well, that looks better than it did. That was a pretty good sized dent in there. I mean, it's an older car, so I just didn't want a huge dent in there. So, thanks for watching this video. I think if I keep on tapping a little bit, it might smooth out a little bit, but I don't know. I'm not a professional, just didn't want a huge dent in the car there. Okay, my friends, take care out there. Have a good day. All right, so, well, this upper part was hard to get because it's a corner, but, yeah. So, if you use a hammer, kind of hit on the edge instead of the flat part, so poked out a little bit there. Still a little bit, you can kind of hammer along the lines, it'll come out most of the way. It's hard to get it really smooth, I guess. Like I said, not a professional, but just kind of pop the bump out a little bit. It looks a little bit better, harder, more difficult to notice, I guess, if you were just kind of glancing at it before. I came out and I was like, whoa, what happened to my car? So, anyways, thanks for watching, my friends. Everyone have a great day out there. Take care. See you next time.